Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. Believe it or not, this whole story kicks off with a super annoying jammed printer. Back in the 80s, a researcher named Richard Stallman had a printer that just wouldn't stop jamming. He wanted to fix it himself, but Xerox said no. The code was a locked secret. For Stallman, this was a huge wake-up call. It wasn't just about a printer anymore. So in 1985, he started the Free Software Foundation to champion a totally new idea. An idea built on 4 essential freedoms that give power back to you, the user. So what's the big difference? It really comes down to control versus total transparency. And that openness, it's a game changer for security. More eyes mean fewer bugs. To make it stick, he even created a special license to legally protect these freedoms. And this philosophy, it's not some abstract concept. It quietly runs the world around us. You'll find it in hospitals, banks, governments, and even on 100% of supercomputers. In fact, this transparency is what recently saved the internet from the hidden XZ backdoor, which all leads to a really important question you should be asking yourself. Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel. Like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.